welcome to my vlog. So now I'm gonna get ready for a baking workshop जिसमें मैं जाऊंगी and I'm gonna bake with my friend. What I'm wearing a cute black dress. So let's just get started. I do upload a bit of makeup shots. I'm not a makeup artist, but I love vlogging, so I'm gonna do the vlogging part and show you guys, just talk with you. Okay, thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe. We're just gonna go with this sunscreen. That's the most important part. Sunscreen lagao. It even took me time to realize that sunscreen is very important, but it is important. Invest in a good sunscreen so that later on आपके longer period के लिए बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. Like you don't have to think much. And kind of put all part of your face. And we're just gonna put a primer. This is a primer. It's more like a power essence, just a glowy texture and a jelly texture है इसका. Advanced nail का है. You can. It is really good. But one of my friend was using it and वो उसके skin को नहीं suit हुआ. So always, if you're able to try it. As I have a dry skin, it is suiting me well. So आप देखो आपको क्या सूट होता है. Always buy products which are suiting you. Don't yes, influencers, everyone will guide you कि आप ये ले सकते हो because it will mostly suit their skin also. पर सब कुछ आपकी स्किन को भी सूट होना चाहिए. So please by trying it and all करो तभी हो पाए. अब मैं एक बेकरी वर्कशॉप के लिए जा रही हूँ where they will teach us how to bake a cake, and I will be doing that with my friend, and we will be decorating one cake. We'll be learning how to bake a cake properly. I know how to bake and stuff, but just if you're getting a professional help, why not? And it's a very beautiful bakery, ribbons and balloons. So if you want to try as well, they have amazing cakes in Dubai. So I'm not planning to do मुझे heavy makeup नहीं करना आज. I want to have just a very simple makeup because I'm going to meet my friend and then we are just going to hang out around, and so I just want easy. So I'm using NARS ka foundation, but I'm planning to use very less. Like, oh wait, I forgot my color corrector. So I'll prefer a color correct. So you can really trust Huda Beauty's color corrector. वो बहुत अच्छा होता है. I mean, you will see the difference when you use it. Yes, they have some packaging issues, but I'm sure she is bringing the new package, or she has already bought the new package. But I have the old one, so because मैंने एक ही साल पहले लिया है, and I don't use so much, so it doesn't get over so fast. That's right. So I have मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा pigmentation है towards my face, like near my face and मतलब near my mouth. So आपको चाहिए, आपको जहाँ pigmentation and where you think कि आपको you should do the color correcting, please do there only. And color correcting, see the difference? Difference is because, and you can please dab it with your fingers, or you can dab it with your sponge, or a beauty blender या फिर brushes. But because I think that beauty blender ये सब आपके प्रोडक्ट्स को बहुत जल्दी वो हो जाते हैं, एब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं, तो यू डोंट गेट इनफ प्रोडक्ट ऑन योर फेस. ऑब्वियसली यू कैन पुट मोर एंड स्टफ, यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस, बट यू डोंट गेट इनफ प्रोडक्ट. सो आई काइंड ऑफ अवॉइड इट. मैं अवॉइड करती हूँ कि जहाँ मैं अपने फिंगर्स यूज़ कर सकती हूँ. व्हाई नॉट डिस्टर्बिंग मी, सो आई एम जस्ट गोना पिन आई गॉट. सो या इट स्टिल लुक्स क्यूट. सो नाउ आई विल पुट माई फाउंडेशन. नॉर्मली आपको आपके ब्रश, यू कैन यूज़ ब्रश. आई लव यूजिंग ब्रश. So आप brush use कर सकते हैं. So just go with the flow. So yeah, I like doing it like this. You can see. And this foundation is also giving quite a good coverage, if you can see. I'm not going to use today concealer, so you can even put up. But आप जब concealer use करते हो, please avoid putting under your eyes the foundation, because then you can put your concealer properly. But today, because I am not planning to go with my concealer, so I will just dab the under eye wala area and then close. Yeah, good to go. I like making very free hand and to match your neck and obviously आपका face. Always if you're wearing, अगर आप थोड़ा deep पहन रहे हो या कुछ भी, please put your foundation here as well, because your neck and your body should match a bit. मतलब bit क्या, it should match. Under eyes मैंने आइज़ के ऊपर नहीं किया है. इफ़ यू हैव हल्का सा पिगमेंटेशन थी, इफ़ यू सी आई जस्ट पुट द फाउंडेशन देयर एंड हियर इट्स ब्राउन, सो आई विल जस्ट मेक इट हल्का सा हियर एंड हियर. आई मेक श्योर यू आर पुटिंग द फाउंडेशन एवरीवेयर बिकॉज योर फेस नीड्स टू मैच. प्लीज़ डोंट वरी कि ये थोड़ा फेयर लग रहा है. इट्स बिकॉज योर फाउंडेशन नीड्स टू सेटल इन एंड दैट विल हैपन वंस यू पुटिंग ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स टुगेदर ना. आपका वो हो जाएगा. आपको पूरे प्रोडक्ट्स एक साथ डालने. सी नाउ वंस यू आर एबल टू now go for a very cute pinky look liquid blush. So I really prefer Rare Beauty ka. This is in shade Hope. It's a very cute pink look, very subtle, so you don't have to think a lot. And obviously हम लोग powder brush भी use करेंगे. So I like putting my blush here and yeah, and I love doing with my hands, like again my fingers. So आप अपने fingers को हल्के मोशन में depending, because I have a round face, I love lifting my face, so you just have to take your blush here. You can see हल्का सा pinkish look. You can see the difference. It's still here and this one is. See how pretty is the color. अभी आपने देखा the lifting from here. अभी तो मैंने contour नहीं किया है. I'm using again Huda Beauty का bronzer. So I love to always put my cheeks up because I have a very chubby face, so it needs to be lifted. So you can just do like this and then you can see. Of course, no cheekbone, so I need. आपको डिफरेंस दिख रहा है? वो मैन यही होता है magic. Now I'm just gonna do halka sa mera eyebrows and my eyebrows are gonna be that sleek much. I just like filling them a bit ki if you are allowed आप please threading करो because already shape में होते हैं and you just have to halka सा do it. I still didn't learn how to do पूरा का पूरा. Just why to do so much stress? इतना stress क्यों लेने का? So see my eyebrows now का setting powder लो and आप बस हल्का सा अपने हाथ में रब करो and just dab it here. Just हल्का सा dab it. Because see if you're not doing this process, you are just gonna put this much amount of product here. So that's like too much. वो केकी हो जाता है एक point के बाद. So you need to just do it this way and हल्का सा dab 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 dab. You can see the difference, like it will never be oily. Like Laura Mercier is just set your face and Huda Beauty का भी बहुत मस्त है. If you are an oily skin, I'm not an oily skin, so आप अगर oily skin हो please go for Huda Beauty. So now मेरे पास सिर्फ 2 steps है करने के लिए, mascara and my I love this mascara. It's from Essence का mascara है. I'll just show you the coating. You will know why I love this. This is just one coating and all the 3 sides. Like I do it properly. 3 sides. Just look at the coating. This ये जो extra लग गया है वो हट जाएगा. So कोई stress नहीं है. This is a brown lip shade. I love brown and pink lip tones. I feel हमारी skin tone, because we are a brown skin tone, for us brown lip liner will always work. So go for brown. I'm just gonna put my lipstick. That's it. And we're done. Powder blush रहेगा. I'll go and run in a car. This is more like a pink nudish shade and just look at it. Just look at the color. Oh my god, just look at the like combo. So it's la 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 okay. Picture. So there's gonna be my hair. this, and yeah, we're ready. See how pretty this is, gifted by my sister. Hi.
Thank you.
Baking class. Thank you.
Welcome.